Hey, my name is Taz, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. Um, I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup with the blue eyeshadow, and then also putting in the insert name here, hair. I have Brit on right now, and I'll link everything below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you don't, I'll know, obviously. Also, please like and comment below and just let me know what you think about this look. And yeah, keep watching and you guys will see an amazing video.
What you hear every day, can't get enough. You can be stuck. I'm more than a snack, I'll be your dinner. Got nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer. Everybody else is a beginner. I do more than talk, yeah, I deliver. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name, your favorite line. Calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try. Come let me be your guy. And if you're down to ride, follow me, I'm the way. Can't get enough. You can be stuck. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Can't get enough. You can be stuck. Can't get enough. You can be come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night. Got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs. What you hear every day, can't get enough.
Okay guys, hopefully you guys liked my video. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Mwah.
Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make